Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how I lost everything, and we are also going to be looking at how I was able to stand back on my feet by the help of it that I want to share with you. In life, there's always a point when you feel disconnected from your usual kind of lifestyle or from your financial lifestyle. So, what makes you a strong person is actually how you are able to work on yourself, work on your finances, and step back on your feet. That trial moment is not always easy. Don't let me lie to you. It's always a very difficult stage for everyone, but how you are able to work on yourself and stand back on your feet matters a lot. And that is what actually goes a long way to define if you are a strong person or not. So without wasting much of your time, let's just quickly dive into this video. But before then, let's just talk about my life. Let's talk about the site as well. And I'm also going to be showing you how the site looks like, how you can work on it, or one or two important details you really need to know before you dive into the website. Come closer. So, what am I talking about? Like you already know, I always explain this over and over, and I'm not explaining the story for anyone to feel disconnected. But I always like to explain this for anyone who is going through any sort of depression. You lost your job or you lost something so important to you, and you are just looking for someone you can connect back to. You are just looking for that person who share a similar kind of life with you. I think I'm that person because if you talk about someone who has ever been disconnected financially, I'm number one. But I'm always so proud of myself because have gotten a step far ahead of where I used to be. And by the special grace of God, I'm very sure that I can never go back to that kind of lifestyle again. I always say it that there was a point in my life when I had to give up on my job just to move a step ahead because I know where I am going to. It's one thing to know where you are going to, and it is another for you to work towards it. So, because I know exactly where I am going to, because I know the exact lifestyle I want for myself financially, that is why I did not allow my past to judge my present, and that is why I did not also allow the painful stages of life to define the kind of joyful lifestyle I want to have in future. So what I am actually trying to say is that no matter what it is that you have been through in the past few years or for many years ago, you can still stand back again on your feet. It is not over until you yourself say it is over. So that was exactly what happened to me. There was a point in life when it seemed like it was completely over. There was a point in my life when it seemed like there was no hope coming from anywhere. But one thing I want you to know is that if you always have God as your number one in everything you are doing, no matter the current situation right now, you are always going to get back on your feet. So without wasting much of your time, I want us to talk about this site, because I know that is exactly what brought all of us into today's video. So let's not talk much about difficult stages, because I know the most important thing is how you are able to stand back on your feet. So now let's talk about this site. This site, I have been on it for a long period of time, but because of the privacy policy of this red app, I might not be able to share some proofs to show that I have been earning from this platform. But if you are interested in such proofs, because that is where I feel so much free to share whatever it is that I want to share to my audience. So if you are interested in knowing if actually this site works, you want to be seeing some proofs that I am earning from this platform, go to the bio, that's the description of this channel, where I will always post such. And so without relying so much on that, you already know me that I am not the kind of person who will just put on camera to say something I am not sure of. If you've been following me for the past months ago, you or years ago, because I have some of you who have been with me in this journey for a very long time, so you would have known that I don't share something that I'm not sure of. So this platform actually works because I've been using it when life seems so tough, when life seems so difficult. This site actually came for me. Like working on this site actually In the next few minutes, if you stay with me, I'm going to be showing you this site, how you can navigate through and how you can work on it. And please do well to drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question at all, please share with me in the comment section. For the next 1 hour, I'm going to be in the comment section to answer all your questions. And don't forget, if you are seeing me for the first time, this is Emilia Davids, your one and only shop in this niche. So please do well to tap on the subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video if you found any value in it. So see ya, let's jump over. So guys, this is the procedure to get started on this platform. Just go ahead and type askable, 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 type askable. Just allow it to load. So once it's done loading, you're gonna see this their logo. This is their logo over here. So once you see this logo, just know that this is the exact page we are looking forward to work in. So right now, let's just go ahead and tap on it. Allow it to load. So once it's done opening, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see where it says askable, and this is their logo over there. So just scroll down. You can see where it says I'm a participant looking to get this. Looking to get this. So right now, let's still scroll. You can see I'm a client seeking insights for my business, and this is another one. But since we are all here to get this, let's quickly tap on this and allow it to load. Once you get here, you can see where it says shape the brands you love and get rewarded. Share your opinions and make a difference anytime, anywhere. So go ahead. If you don't have an account, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on get started. So let's tap on get started. So this says discover opportunities. Just click on next. Receive and manage invites. Click on next. Share your experience. So if you go ahead to read, you can see. So I don't want to just be reading any of this. Let's just go ahead. So all you need to do is to tap on next. There's no point skipping, so just tap on next. So you can see the interface of the page or of the platform. So this is exactly how it looks. So once you are done reading one or two things about the platform, you can go here, you can come over here and enter this. So right now, I'm going to pause this and enter it. Though I don't want to do this step-by-step guide, but I just want to show you how the platform looks like. So let me just enter my email and let's continue. So once a code is asked for, just go to the email you just entered and you'll get your code. So right now, let me get my code. So let me get my code. So my code is, let me just enter it. So once you are done, just click on next. So the platform is done loading and let's just continue. You can see what it's requesting for. So you just go ahead and enter it. Just go ahead and enter it. So before I go ahead with what I was doing, let me still show you one or two things you really need to know. On this platform, you can take either this, you can do a video call just to give your opinion about some company products. So if you are not the type who likes being on a phone call with an interviewer, I can also go for this. So you can see it, but this one gives higher than this. You can see this one gives this depending on the time frame it's going to cover, but majorly this one gives higher than this. You can see the amount here and you can see the amount on the other. That's to tell you that the amounts are not the same. So whichever one you want to go for, you can go for. So it just two categories. Either you go for video call or you go for surveys. So now let's just click on next and continue with what we were doing before. So another thing about this platform is that once you are invited, they are going to be sending you a message in your email or under this platform, letting you know that you are invited. So if you look at this is exactly how their messages come in. You can see it says you have been invited. So this is going to be a 30-minute video call. And the topic is people who recently switched health insurance policies. So the questions they are going to be sending to you to answer are going to be related to exactly what you filled in your profile. So if you know the topic that they are requesting from you, can go ahead and take it. And if you are not interested in that one, you can always wait for the one that is going to align with your interest. So that's exactly how the platform is. And they are also going to be letting you know the date and time. So this is what I like specially about them. They will let you know the date and time and the amount as well, and they are going to keep up with you. So if you are interested, you just tap on it. So now let's move ahead. So it's majorly about you sharing your experience and nothing more. Now let's continue with what we were doing earlier before now. So guys, I couldn't show the full detail of how to create your account because of this red app. I don't want any issue. So if you want the step-by-step guide, I'm going to drop it in my Telegram group. You know, because of some policies of this red app, I can't drop the full detail of this platform. But you can see already that we have already created our profile. You can see where it says your profile has been updated. We'll use this information to personalize your research experience. So now what you are going to do next is to browse opportunities. So you can see we have already started getting works to do. Can you see? We have short tasks and surveys. So for the surveys, you can see the one available currently. So the one available says, do you use the Australian government My ID app? So to access online services. And if you are interested in this particular one, which goes for 10 euros, so this one is going to give 10 euros. And if I'm interested in it, all I need to do is just to tap on it. And if you look down here, you will see that it should be completed by 21st November. So latest by 21st November, this should be completed. And it's going to take only 15 minutes for us to complete it. If you are interested in this, it's just for us to tap on it and take it now. And if you want to do it maybe before, let's just say latest 21st of November, which is tomorrow or so, or next tomorrow. So just make sure you complete it latest by that exact date that they have already given you. It's just 15 minutes, so it won't take much of your time. So let's continue. So if you look here, you see there's another one that's for those who can take a kind of phone calls. You can take a video calls. So you can see it here. This is opportunities to schedule. So this one is gonna take place between 25th to 26th November, and it's going to take approximately 60 minutes for you to complete it. Sometimes it's not always up to that 60 minutes, but they specify 60 minutes because due to network related issues, you might not be able to meet up. So that is why they gave you 60 minutes. So now let's still look at more work we have here, more tasks. So this one is a multi-stage task which will be giving you this. Can you imagine? So this one says professional from food, franchise, logistics, sports, wellness, e-gaming sectors with European market knowledge. So this is ongoing until 28th November. So you can see, and to do all of this is really very easy. If you don't have an idea on this before, all you need to do is just to ask ChatGPT for a guide, and it's going to do a perfect job for you. So let's just scroll down. So you can see over here, they are asking us to complete this profile. Note, I just created this account because this is not the exact account I'm using. The one I'm using is actually in pounds account, but you can see the one we just created now is in euros. So if you want to get a lot more jobs from this platform, I advise you to make sure you complete your profile. You can see 4 times your chances of being selected. People with complete profiles are 4 times more likely to be selected for opportunities. So if you are interested in this platform, I would definitely advise you to make sure you complete your profile 100%. And if it's your first time seeing my channel or seeing a video like this, I already have step-by-step guides of how you can fill a profile and all of that. So if you need something like that, all you need to do is to make sure you are part of my Telegram group. So now, before we continue, please, if you haven't tapped the subscribe button, do that right now to become a full member of this channel. So let's go ahead. If you want to complete your profile, just tap on the complete profile button. But now you can also come over here. You can come over here to tap on your profile to see the strength of your account. And let's just take them one after the other. Let's look at this. So you can see we haven't applied for anything. That's why it's showing no opportunities yet, because we haven't applied for anything. If you tap on applied, you can see we haven't done anything yet. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to tap on the next button. So we don't have message or notifications yet, because this is just a completely new account. So now let's tap on the next. So over here, you can just make sure you come over here. You can do your settings, this. I don't want to mention it. I'm being careful on this red app. So you can work on that, and all other necessary things you are supposed to fill. So that's just exactly about this platform. And if you have questions, do well to drop your comment in the comment section. In the next 1 hour, I'm going to be there to attend to your questions. So you can see your mode of payments here. This is PayPal, this is e-gift card. So we already created a video on how to create your PayPal account, and like you know, this channel, I don't do much of step-by-step guides. So if you need a step-by-step guide on how to create your PayPal account, all you need to do is to make sure you join the Telegram group, as I just told you, so you can get a gift card. A gift card is a kind of incentive which you can just exchange to the exact currency you are using in your location. So another one is through PayPal. So if you cannot create your PayPal, you can always get this. So I also have a video that covered how you can exchange your gift card into your local currency. So now that we have already done all of this, I wish you good luck in this platform. If you have questions, like I said, drop your question in the comment section. See you next time, and don't forget to tap on that subscribe button. It's very important. See ya.